Hi friend, are you ready to take a leap of faith and start your own business? One of the most important steps you'll ever take on this journey is developing a solid business plan. Today, I'm going to walk you through how you can develop a winning business plan step by step and why it is so crucial. I would suggest that you write down the points that I'm going to share with you in this video. Also, remember to leave a like on this video. With that said, let us start. First things first, let's talk about why you need a business plan and why it is so important. Imagine setting off on a cross-country road trip without a map or a GPS. You'll get lost, right? Well, a business plan is like your map for your business journey. It outlines your goals, your strategies, and the steps you will need to take to reach your destination. It helps you anticipate challenges and figure out how you will overcome them. So, let us dive into the components of a winning business plan. It may seem daunting at first, but I promise, breaking it down into smaller sections makes it much more manageable. We're going to cover the executive summary, business description, market analysis, organization and management, service or product line, marketing and sales strategy, funding request, financial projections, and the appendix. First is the executive summary. This is the first thing people will read, so it needs to be compelling and concise. Think of it as a snapshot of your entire business plan. It should include your business's mission statement, a brief description of your products or services, and an overview of your goals. Even though it comes first, it is often best to write it last, after you've detailed the rest of your plan. Next is the business description. This section should provide an in-depth look at your business. Describe what your business does, the market needs it will fulfill, and your target customers. You should also include your business's unique value proposition. What makes you different from your competition? Explain your business model and how you'll make money. Now, let's move on to the market analysis. This is where you demonstrate your knowledge of the industry and the market. Start with an overview of your industry, including its current size, growth potential, and trends. Then analyze your target market. Who are your ideal customers? What are their demographics and buying habits? Finally, conduct a competitive analysis. Identify your main competitors and analyze their strengths and weaknesses. This will help you identify opportunities and threats in the market. The next section is the organization and management. Here, you will outline your business's organization structure and introduce your management team. Provide a brief bios that highlight their experience and skills. If you have a board of directors, include them too. This section shows that you have a capable team that can execute your business plan. Now, let's talk about service or product line. Describe your product or services in detail. Explain how they will benefit your customers and how they will stand out from the competition. If you have any patents or proprietary technologies, mention them here too. Also, outline your business life cycle, how you will develop, launch, and grow your offerings over time. The marketing and sales strategy section is next. This is where you outline how you plan to attract and retain customers. Start with your marketing strategy. What channels will you use? Will you be using social media, email marketing, SEOs, or paid ads? How will you position your brand? Then detail your sales strategy. How will you sell your products or services? Through an online store, direct sales, or partnerships? Describe your sales process from lead generation to closing the deal. If you're seeking funding, you will need a funding request section outlining how much funding you will need, what you will use it for, and your proposed terms. Be specific whether it is for purchasing equipment, hiring staff, or marketing. Explain how much the funds will help you achieve your business goals. Next, we have the financial projections. This section should include your income statements, cash flow statements, and balance sheet for the next 3 to 5 years. If you have an existing financial data, include that too. Be realistic with your projections. They should be based on your market analysis and business strategy. This section shows potential investors that you have a clear path to profitability. Finally, the appendix. This is where you include any additional information that supports your business plan. This could include resumes, permits, lease agreements, legal documentation, or product photos. It is not required, but it can provide valuable context and evidence of your plan. So, there you have it, a detailed breakdown of how to develop a winning business plan. But wait, there is more. Let's talk about the advantages of having a business plan. First, a business plan provides clarity and focus. It forces you to think through every aspect of your business and how they interconnect. This clarity helps you stay focused on your goals and make informed decisions. Second, it serves as a roadmap. A business plan outlines the steps you need to take to achieve your business goals. It helps you stay on track and measure your progress. And if you hit a bump on the road, you can refer back to your plan and adjust as needed. Third, it is a powerful communication tool. A well-crafted business plan can help you articulate your vision and strategies to potential investors, to partners, or employees. It shows you've done your homework and you are serious about your business. Fourth, it helps with financial planning. Your financial projections provide a clear picture of your business's financial health and needs. This is crucial for managing cash flow, securing funding, and making strategic investments. Lastly, it helps you anticipate and prepare for any challenges. By analyzing your market and competition, you can identify potential risks and develop strategies to mitigate them. This proactive approach can save you a lot of headache down the line. Developing a winning business plan may seem like a daunting task, but it is one of the most important steps you can take to set your business up for success. It provides clarity, direction, and solid foundation to build upon. So take your time with it. Be thorough and don't be afraid to ask help if you need it. Remember, a business plan isn't just a document. It is a living, breathing guide that evolves with your business. Revisit it and update it regularly to reflect changes in the market, goals, and strategies. And lastly, remember, my friend, a business plan is your roadmap, your guiding star, and your best chance of making your dream a reality. Without it, you'll be lost as one without a map or GPS. If you got any value in this video, please smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Share this video with your friends and family. As always, I appreciate you stopping by. Until next time, God bless.